Hello and good morning, and thanks everyone for showing up today for this nice occasion. Today, of course, today's event is christening and donating a new boat to the Travis Mills Foundation. Hi, I'm Rob Brown. I'm one of the owners at Clack Marine in Manchester, Maine. What drives us is what can we do to offer boating as an activity to people who normally would not have that same activity. And specifically to the Travis Mills Foundation here out of Long Pond, we donated simply because we know the families that are coming. There's a number of activities here to enjoy. And boating in Maine are synonymous with one another, and we know that when they come to Maine, they want to go out on the water, and it drove us to be able to make sure that we provided some of that avenue to add to what what they do here at the facility.
Hi, I'm Jim Wolf, President and CEO of Avalon Tahoe Manufacturing, and we produce pontoon boats up in Elma, Michigan. Rob had contacted us and kind of gave us a heads up about the Travis Mills Foundation, and found out that Travis was one of only 5 or so surviving quadriplegic veterans. So, the story kind of really inspired me to give back. We have given back in many ways, but this was a cause and a foundation, and really with Travis behind it, just seemed like a great fit for us. And if you're going to give back, why not give back to somebody who has given their 4 limbs for this country? So it really hit home to me. This boat is a little bit unique in the sense that it is wheelchair accessible, so we wanted to make sure that we made the gates wide enough, and that is a standard option for us. There are a lot of disabled people throughout the country, and they deserve to get out and boat just as much as anyone else. So we made this with wider gates, and it's an easier platform to move around, so it is very friendly for those with those types of injuries. We felt it was really important just a partnership with the foundation, because the foundation's purpose is to get families together in kind of a retreat environment, to give them a vacation almost. Because if you think about our veterans and what they've been through with the war, and a lot of these folks have serious injuries, and they've essentially given their lives for us, so we really felt it'd be important to give back to them, provide them with a boat that they could get out in this lovely environment up here in northern Maine, and just to get on the water and spend time and just decompress and forget about all their struggles and everything else, and just think about their family and being on vacation.
Hi, I'm Carol MONTALDI. I am the Senior District Sales Manager for Honda Marine, and I am here today to represent Honda with Avalon Pontoons and to support Clack Marine. Honda was approached by Avalon Pontoon and asked if they would like to donate to the Travis Mills Foundation, and Honda is very proud to support our veterans, and we are very happy to be a part of this experience here in Maine, and happy to be supporting the Travis Mills Foundation, and happy to be in partnership with Avalon Pontoons and Clark Marine. Honda has always been very philanthropic. They are very happy to support our veterans and to give back.
What's up, winners? I'm Travis Mills. So the Travis Mills Foundation was formed. My wife and I thought that we should give back. So why we formed the Travis Mills Foundation was to bring up families, show them how to do things adaptively, let them know they're not ever alone in their situation, but also they have other people out there like them that they can confide in, they can trust in, to talk to, and would understand their situations that they're going through. So the reason we started the foundation was just to give back, to make sure everybody felt like they could be a functioning member in society as well as in their family, and that they could really just keep pushing forward. The donations are of the most importance because that's how we run. I mean, the foundation is funded because people believe in our mission, they understand they're part of our family, they realize that they are an active member in supporting us and that we couldn't do this without them stepping up to the plate and helping us. So, I mean, we're 100% donation based and just so grateful that people understand what we're trying to do and want to be a part of our team. And everybody that comes up to me on the street and says, hey, I love what you're doing, I let them know, hey, I appreciate that. But it's everybody coming together, so they're just as much as a part of the foundation as I am, because without their support, we couldn't do the work that we do here for these wonderful families.
I am so very thankful to all of those who have given so much and sacrificed so much for all of our liberties that I would not have ever passed up the opportunity to meet Travis Mills and be a part of this experience with Avalon Pontoons, with Clark Marine, and to represent Honda Marine.
We really are honored to be able to do what we've been able to do. God has given us many things, and we do everything we can to share what is given to us. And we hope that that this little bit that we're able to do out here is something that really, adds to the pleasure of the people who come to this facility.
Really proud to have been a part of this cause, and it's a very small price we pay for our freedom, and for those of us that can give back, we should give back. And Avalon Tahoe is very proud of just partnering with the Travis Mills Foundation.